Right, Simon. So next bit in stairways. So we've done all the other what is it? You know the and going up here with that D shape, and then yeah and then for these ones these A-shaped chords, first finger and then the last two. So we've gone over all that. So then the next bit is the bit that's on the 12-string guitar. So you're never going to get it to sound like the way it does on the record, but still play along with it. So we've got so you start off with a kind of an A minor 7 shape, kind of like that, and we're going. And you pick all the way through the A minor. And then once you come down here, the second time to this shape, that shape, you just pick down through it. 1, 2, 3, F, A. So you don't. So you only go down. So the whole thing again is. Okay. So that's that bit, and then it goes through a couple more sections where we've got this bit, and then the line I think is it ends on the whispering wind. So then he does it one more time. So lands on a D. So you're going as normal. And I suppose you actually do go back on it just for that one extra beat. So. So there, all he's doing there is hitting the D as normal, and then you're opening up your middle finger for D sus2, then D sus4. So just make sure you keep your third finger standing straight up, because it's likely to get in the way of those open strings. So then the chords after that, I'm not sure if we touched on these in the last one. So what we do is you keep your third finger where it is, and you're coming over for what's basically a C. It's kind of C add 9 is what it really is. So from D, bring your middle finger up to the 3rd fret on the 5th, and then this one comes up the 2nd fret on the 4th. And then you'll hear this sort of that note in there as well. So he's just bringing his first finger down to the 1st string there on the 2nd fret. Then back to it. Back to that C. Then down here to that B. And then you get the middle finger in on the 2nd fret there. And then the guitar solo starts, so we'll leave that aside for now, okay? But the chords going under it are just A minor, G, and then F. So A for 1, G for 1, and then F for 2. Okay, so then we've got that same chord progression for the bit, and as we wind on down the road, that much. So obviously the rhythm here is the tricky thing. So we had a bit of fun with that last time. So we're coming up, standard kind of E minor shaped bar chord on the 5th fret, which gives us an A minor. So again, just keep your hand with that going in that regular motion. I'm not sure if they actually. Let me just check that there real quick. Yeah, no, they do. So yeah, just keep that going. So we've got. Now, so when you get down to the F, it's in threes, okay? So what that means is, because 3 is an odd number, you're going to be hitting it in the opposite direction each time. So down, up, down, up, down, down. And then at the end, so sort of 4 of those kind of 3s, and then down, down at the end. So you're going. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two. One, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three, one, two, three. And then on that last one, you go back up to the G. So, okay. So just try and keep an emphasis on the threes. Keep your hand just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And if you keep that motion going, that down, up, it'll land on down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so just, and even just if you want to, mute the guitar altogether and just practice that rhythm and just put the emphasis on the ones where you're actually squeezing the chords. So you're just sort of squeezing it for the ones you're hitting and then taking the pressure off to get. So, so just that little bit, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Okay, so it's a tough one, but it's doable enough. Just keep that motion going, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Bam, 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 bam. And as I said, saying it like that, bam, 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 bam. Just kind of saying it out loud as you're playing it will actually help. So yeah, bit of a mountain this song, but we'll get through it. All right, see you next week.